Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Boss. Basically I am chemical, but I can do MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, counting, writing, finance, business, mathematics, all online courses, teaching courses, all university related online courses I can do writing. You can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description. You can get good grades. I can perform valuable work for you. So basically, about today our project is Exp22 World Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Requirements. It's a world project. So we highlighted the assignment name, assignment title or project name. So Exp22 World Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Requirements. It's a today our project. So we started our work. First we get through the idea of what we do in this project. So we project description, read this. We are enrolled in a personal finance our course or at a local university. One of the assignment and is to write a group paper with another student about the different types of retirement plan. You and your partner conducted research on the topic and wrote a final draft on the report. Is in this project you will format the paper to enhance readability. You will use track changes, accepting and rejecting them as the necessary credited sources used in the preparation of the report. Address your partner's comments and include a table of content and an index. So it's our project description. We get through idea from this. Now we move to our step number 1. Step number 1 is start word. We already started this and download and open the file name. So we already open and downloaded the file and create automatically. Okay, updated automatically names updated. So our step number 1 is complete. Now we move to our next step. Our next step is step number 2. In this step he says, ensure that the markup values in all markup on the second page. Reject the deletion of the word no the view to no markup and ensure that the word is not duplicated and remove any additional so that only word no is shown at the end of sentence. So he says change the view no markup, ensure that reject the relation of the. So we rejected this. So go to view tab. So we first do this editing. We go to this view tab. See here all rejection here this. Reject and move the next. So our step number 1 is completed. Now our step number 2, step number 3. Step number 2 is completed. Now move to our next step number 3. Accept all other track changes and in the document and stop tracking, keep all comments. Okay, so go here and accept all and stop tracking. So check here and accept all trackings and stop tracking. So do this, keep all comments. So it do this. So we keep all comments. Now our step number 3 is completed. Now we move to our next step number 4, in which change the view to simple markup. Ensure the document comments are shown. Change the all heading indicated by the comments in the document. Okay. So we change this in simple markup and see here. This is the listed of but should be heading press change. Okay. So then he says change all headings. He says follow the comments and change the headings. Okay, so we follow the comments. So here he says this is the listing is the heading 2, but it should be heading 1. So we please change it in heading 1. So we change this in heading 1. Down, move to down. Okay, please change all heading formatted with heading 3 to. Okay, so we change this heading 3 to 2. So we already changed this to, and already changed this heading to 2. Now we move to next text. Please change the heading 3 to, okay, so we change this and heading 3. Our step number 4 is completed now. Now we move to our next step number 5. Step number 5, in which he says reply the first comment by typing done and mark the first 2 comments related the heading or the result. Okay, so we go to our first comment here. Our first comment is here. We type this done. Okay, our resulted, and second one comment is also about heading, so we also resolved thread. Now our step number 5 is completed. Now we move to our next step. Next step is step number 6. Change the writing style up or 6th edition. Apply the following format to all pages of the document except the cover page. So we go to reference tab and selected here upper 6th edition and accept the cover page. So document is a double line spaced except with the exception of including table. So this part is literally carefully we do accept so we selected this because he says accept the table. So we do this double and we selected this accept the table and here's on double. So we move to next step is here and selected it on down and type here double and the first line of every paragraph included first line intent. So then first line of the intent of every paragraph include our first line intent of 0.5 except now see here exception of heading lines, included tables and bulleted line. No paragraph spacing is included. So we do here apply first line edits except the paragraph heading. So we choose here and table also. So we choose here first line edit apply here except the headings. So apply first line returns to all documents except first line return. So similarly we do here. First line edit. So we do also here except the table. So carefully we do this. First line edit here. Put this here and now go to after table and selected the all lines except the headings and apply first line edit. Our step number 6 is completed now. So we do here 6 steps in this video. If you want complete solution of this assignment, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description. Subtitle of the video. You can get good grades. I can perform my good service for you. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and share my video link with your friend Louis. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.